Good morning. Today I'm at on the A6, no, M6. Oh god, I don't even know where I am. So yeah, me and Richard are driving down to London for Ride London. Richard's not doing Ride London, he's doing the Brompton Race tonight, and then I'm doing Ride London tomorrow. So yeah, it was a very early start. I'm asleep. I was trying to stay awake, and I was like, stay awake, be a good passenger, and I was just like sleeping. So yeah, that is the deal. Got some fun stuff planned in London today. 2 people potentially I'm meeting, so I'll chat to you a little bit about that later on. Yeah, just gonna go in. People are looking at me funny. Gonna get some snacks for the ride. You ready to go? So now I'm just sat like, it's almost like an Audax. So I've got bagels, which I'm going to take one in my back pocket tomorrow, and then a vegan sandwich from Waitrose. Then we're going to get back on the road and yeah, see you in London.
Crazy women taking the female.
It's Factory Boys, steam real hot.
Speaking of it,
Done. Playing games with my heart.
we're playing games.
Red bus, we're in London. Quarter of a mile, continue straight, stay on Marylebone Road. So I'm in London town, and yeah, come in. I'm just gonna empty my case. I'm gonna head out on the bike and go to the Expo to get my number and everything ready for tomorrow, and then hopefully go and watch the women's race. Also, very quickly, one thing I want to show you, when I don't really know where I'm going, I always use Komoot. This is not sponsored. I have worked with them in the past, but I genuinely love this app. I think it is the best app. It's 20 quid for like worldwide maps, and that's what I use on my phone. I just put it on my Garmin mount, because I've got this clip, I think it's called KOM Cycling. So I just put that on my Garmin, flick that there, and then that's going to direct me, because I have no idea where I'm going. So yeah, that is it. That's where I'm riding. Hi! So greetings from Excel London. I've got my number for Ride London tomorrow, and I'm going to go and head in to the Expo section, just have a little wander around, see what's about. Got Phil Burt's mate over there, Chris Hoy. Also, another reason that I'm staying in the Expo is I'm going to go out and go around and find someone. I'm meeting someone to do a sweat test. I'll touch you a little bit more about it when it's quieter, but yeah, show me. It's busy. I'm a low-soled sweater. I thought that.
Yeah,
I didn't have white stuff.
Yeah. However, what is important to consider is this in the whole picture.
There was a lot to take in, so I'm going to explain. I'm going to go back and tell you a little bit about what it is, what they recommended. But I've tried them before, really like them. This is not sponsored, this is not anything. I just want to go chat to them about it and share with you, because I do really like the product. So let me just chat when it's quieter, and I'll see you back at the hotel. And I've also just spotted there's a Cannondale stand. I really want to go and look at the new CAD 13. Let's have a little nosy. So this is the one that I've been looking at that, oh god, I really like. This is the one I really want. So it's 54. This is the CAD 13. And it's just black, and it's matte, and it's beautiful. It's Ultegra. All my days. So I've been in there for like, what, 2 and a bit hours? God, I've just been like chatting to people. I've met a few of my lovely viewers. So hi if I met you at the Expo. Chatting to different people. I've got a nice helmet from Lima, which is very nice, which are the sponsors that do Team Crimson helmets. So if you see me in my white helmet, it's the same brand. So nice little matte black one. So yeah, now I've got a spare helmet. on my bike, so I'm going to have to try and get that back. So yeah, I'm going to ride across town now, going to watch the Classique race. So it's going to probably take me 20 minutes, I guess? I don't even know. Don't really know where I'm going. Got it on my app. So I'm going to ride over there now, meet Richard, watch some racing, hopefully get some food because I am hungry. So yeah, I'll catch up with him a little bit, tell you all about the sweat test later on, and yeah, see you in a little bit. So we are here, we're now in the Brompton tent. The women's Classique race is just going on there, they've just all come past. And Richard is taking part in the Brompton race in a little bit. So yeah, I'm probably going to grab some food. And God, that was so manic before, I didn't get a chance to chat to you. But yeah, basically the sweat test that I had done, I basically was feeling really ill after long rides, like hungover. And someone mentioned electrolytes, someone recommended them, I tried them. And really like them, and I've been using them for a little bit before. Well, the reason that I used them for a little bit before mentioning it is because I want to make sure that they actually worked, and yeah, I really like them. Again, this is not sponsored, I'm not paid in any way to say any of this. I just really like the product, and I think they help. I'll do another video or answer some questions if you have it about electrolytes in a separate video. There's just too much going on in this video to talk about it, so yeah. God, I need to breathe, I need to eat, because I've not really eaten or drank a lot today, and yeah. So yeah, basically the Brompton race goes on the same lap, I think, you have to wear a suit, which is fun. Yeah, it's a bit odd. Me and my road bike, I'm definitely the odd one out right now, so just chatting, and one of my lovely viewers, I can't remember, I don't think he can say his name, he works for Brompton, and he's taking part in the race, and he said, oh, you've got to see my bike, it's got a full 105 group set on it. Hang on, he's coming now, I was like, I've got to see that. Woo! I've got to see the 105. There you go, fast. Turning the camera around, mister.
There you go.
Right, hang on. You gotta tell me your name though, come on. You don't have to. You can be anonymous.
I can tell my name. My name is Pedro.
Pedro?
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you.
My pleasure.
No way! Okay, this is very special. How has it got a 105? So what do they normally have on? Just regular Brompton?
Yeah, regular Brompton is a 3-piece, right? So I just put a Holotech bone bracket there. And yeah, I stand
wow.
which is the same size, right? It's 50.
Oh, sorry.
As well as the standard 3-speed Brompton.
Look at that.
Yeah. And it just works, yeah.
Good to meet you. In fact, give me a hug. So lovely to meet you.
I gotta tell you, you look even better in person.
Oh,
yeah.
really?
Yeah.
I'll leave that bit in the video. You look so glad. It's probably because you've always seen me at the end of really long
It's
rides.
weird because now talking to you, I feel like I know you forever because I've been watching you for like 2 years and so.
Aww.
Yeah. So yeah.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
That's like the biggest compliment that anyone could ever give me. So thank you. Right, good luck with the race.
Yeah. Thank you. Great to meet you.
Couldn't see you today. Couldn't see you today.
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it really well.
Yeah, I don't know.
You are. You're gonna do Richard.
I prefer the hill climb any day. That hill climb.
No,
is
you're
my
gonna be really
forte.
good. I'll be cheering you on.
Yeah. Cheers.
Good luck. So the race is still happening. It's about 7:45, so I'm gonna head off home because I am getting tired and I'm getting hungry. Woo! Sorry, that sounds. You don't want to hear me whooping. So yeah, actually, I've got to tell you something. I told this guy that I would tell you. So some guy came past the women's race. Oh, that looks so good. Can you see him? Yeah, some guy came past and he's like, "Oh, have you just raced?" And I was like, "No, maybe it's just being very kind." I was like, I appreciate that you think that I look like a pro. Definitely not a pro. I should have told him the time that I couldn't click in at the start of a race. That would have definitely defined me between the pros. Right, I'm gonna go home. Go back to the hotel, get some food, get some sleep, and get prepped ready for tomorrow. With me what? With my helmet?